Okay, welcome back to Orange Track Outlaws. It's time for another bin challenge. We're going to pull another 36 here out of our bin. We're going to race them. See if one of them can't give that black F40 a run for his money. Let's dive right into it. Let's start with this guy right here. The Escort. This thing looks pretty cool. It's got a cannon on it. Good for that. What else we got here? Green Porsche. How about this one? That would be pretty good. Jaguar. Oh, how about this guy right here? Hot Wheels Racer. Alright. Let's keep going. What's this one right here? Mustang. That looks pretty cool. Alright, that's 6. Okay, let's keep going here. Here we go. We got a Firebird. What's this one here? Another Mustang. How about this guy right here? I know y'all see this one. The Mountain Dew Stalker. This one is a fast one in its day. Let's see if it can do it. Let's go this one here upside down. Yeah, GTO. Take that. Let's take, is that the MR2? Take that. And how about this guy? That's pretty cool. El Camino, Earth 12. Let's keep going. How about these? These are usually fast, clear speeders. There we go. How about this one upside down? Yeah. A little dirty R2-D2. This one looks pretty cool. Ford GT. I got one down in here deep. What's this one? Oh, it looks like a Skyline. Oh, dig a little bit. What do we got here? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Charger. Let's notice it's fast. Let's try this guy. Alright, I think we're halfway there. Let's go with this purple guy. That looks like a Hot Wheels fantasy car. Oh, this guy here. Old Corvette. What else we got in here? Another F1 racer. What's down under here? Oh, that's a cool car. The old Mustang with the metal back. What we got here? Red line. That looks cool. Oh, I know you guys probably seen this guy here already. Got another F40. The red one with the gold wheels. You know these are fast. Let's give it a shot. All right. Need 12 more. About this guy. It's about a 71 Mach 1. Let's see what we got underneath here. Oh, this one's got the racing team wheels. This guy right here, the number 3 Stalker. Those are usually fast. We got another fancy car here. Oh, this is a fast one too. Funny car. Yep, that's a good one. How about this guy right here? Honda Spocket. Let's give that guy a shot. Alright, 6 more. There we go. Another Mustang. This one looks like it might have some FTE wheels on it. Here we go. We got another Corvette. What we got right here? Hot Wheels fancy car. And 3 more. What's this guy? Redline Camaro. White Redline Camaro. Metal base. 2 more. Oh, look there. There's the white F40. I'm going to save that guy for another round. Right here. There we go. Alright, one more. Let's pick one from the side. We got that guy. What, this one right here? It's a bus. Looks like a van. Let's go. Alright. We got our cars. Alright, let's put them on the track. Let's send them. Let's see which one's going to be the fastest this round. Here we go. Okay, we got our first group of racers up and ready. In lane 1, we got the Firebird. In lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels Stalker. In lane 3, we got the Mountain Dew Stalker. In lane 4, we got the 67 GTO. In lane 5, we got the Clear Speeder. And in lane 6, we got the 64 Corvette Stingray. Who you liking? I think I gotta go with that oldie, that Mountain Dew Stalker. Let's race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Corvette's out. Oh, Corvette's got it.
Winner, lane 6.
Corvette's out. Oh, Corvette's got it.
Winner, lane 6.
All right, next race is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Speed Box. Lane 2, we got the Formulator. Lane 3, we got the Corvette. Lane 4, we got the 2013 Mustang GT. In lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels Original Chicane. And in lane 6, we got the Ford GT. All right, who are you going with here? I think I'm going to go with that Ford GT. Let's race. Okay, race 2, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, GT's out big. Yeah.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh, GT's out big. Yeah.
Winner, lane 6.
Alright, next race is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Porsche 918 Spyder. In lane 2, we get the Hot Wheels Funny Car. In lane 3, we got the 69 Firebird TA. In lane 4, we got the 2010 Hyundai Genesis. In lane 5, we got the Nissan Skyline. In lane 6, we got the Salt Flat Racer. I think I got to go with that Chevy Funny Car. I know that thing's fast. So is lane 1 though. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look at that Salt Flat Racer.
Winner, lane 6.
Look at that Salt Flat Racer.
Winner, lane 6.
Alright, we're halfway there. Next one's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Chevy Stalker. In lane 2, we got the 71 Mustang. Lane 3, we got the 2010 Mustang GT500. In lane 4, the 67 Camaro. In lane 5, the Jaguar J220. In lane 6, we got the F1 Racer. I think I got to go with lane 1, that black Chevy Stalker. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 4, ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the F1 Racer.
Winner, lane
Okay, next race is ready. In lane 1, we got the Charger 500. Lane 2, we got the Solaire. Lane 3, we got the 68 Mustang. Lane 4, we got the Honda Sprocket. In lane 5, we got the Grease Rod. In lane 6, we got the El Camino. What are we going with here? I think I got to take that Mustang. Let's race. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Honda Sprocket.
Winner, lane 4. Winner, lane 4.
Okay, last race of the first round's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Porsche 911 GT3. In lane 2, we got the MR2. In lane 3, we got R2D2. In lane 4, we got the 2010 Mustang GT. In lane 5, we got the 70 Ford Escort. And in lane 6, we got the red Ferrari F40 with the yellow tampos. Gotta take the F40 in this one. I've been waiting to see it. Let's race. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's the F40. Oh, yeah.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh, it's the F40. Oh, yeah.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, our finals race is all set up. I think this is going to be a good one. Lane 1, we got the Salt Flat Racer. Lane 2, we got the Ferrari F40. Lane 3, we got the Ford GT. Lane 4, Chevy Corvette. Lane 5, the F1 Racer. And lane 6, the Honda Sprocket. This is going to be a good one, I think. The Salt Flat Racer, I think, is going to surprise you, but I got to go with the F40. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Ferrari
Winner,
smoked him.
lane 2.
Oh, the Ferrari
Winner,
smoked him.
lane 2.
Here we go. The red F40 is getting his shot at our best of the best. In lane 1, it's the red F40. Lane 2, it's the black F40. In lane 5, we got the orange Lamborghini Stoke. In lane 6, the Firebird Funny Car. This should be a good one. Lane 1 and 2 gonna battle it out. What do you think, red or black? I think I'm gonna go with the old black. But it should be a good race. Let's find out. Let's do it. Okay, red F40 versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Lambo Stoke took him this time. Oh, Lambo Stoke took him this time. Okay, here's our new champion. No surprise, another flip-flop at the top spot. But today it was the Lamborghini at Stoke. Battling it out again with the black F40. Two real fast cars. That red F40 couldn't get it done. It's another fast car. He'll get another chance, trust me. But I want to thank you for watching another race. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And look out for my other customs and my restoration videos. Thanks again. See ya.